Topic here is solving quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. To solve this equation, right on the board here, you can see the quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a, where a is not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, this formula will not solve the equation for us. Good. And a, b, c are coefficients in the equation. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 8, and C is plus 9. This is a quadratic equation. I want to find the value for x. I will use the quadratic formula to solve this equation. Right on the board here, you can see the quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a, where a is not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, this formula will not solve the equation for us. Good. And a, b, c are coefficients in the equation. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 8, and C is plus 9. Substituting A, B, C into the formula, we have x is equal to minus 8 in bracket plus minus square root of minus 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times 9 all over 2 times 1. So here x is equal to minus 8. Minus times minus 8 becomes plus 8. Then here minus 8 squared is 64 plus 64. Then we have minus 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 9 is 36. So we have here plus 8 plus minus 64 minus 36 square rooted divided by 2. So further down, 8 comes down. 8 plus 8 here can also be written as 8 without the plus sign. It's when there's a minus, you must always make sure you write the minus sign. So here we have square root of this gives us square root of 28. Now let us simplify further. Simplifying further, 8 plus minus square root of 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is the same as 28. For simplicity, square root of 4 times 7 can also be written in this form. Yes. As you can see here, square root of 4 can also be written as square root of 2 squared because 4 is 2 times 4 gives us 4. So square root of 2 squared or square root of 4 will give us 2. Square root of 7 remains as 7. Then we have the 8. So This is the next stage. Now, dividing through by 2, we get this. 8 divided by 2 will give us 4. 2 times square root of 7 divided by 2 will give us 7. Will give us square root of 7 because the 2 will cancel out. So the answer here is x is equal to 4 plus minus square root of 7. I hope this is simplified enough. If not, send in your comments, send in your questions. I am ready to make sure that you understand the quadratic equations thoroughly. Here is a second quadratic equation to be solved. X squared minus 5x minus 14 is equal to 0. So we want to find what x is using quadratic formula. A is 1, B is minus 5, and C is minus 14. Here we are, A, 1, B minus 5, and C is minus 14. Now we want to substitute A, B, C into the quadratic formula. So we have x is equal to minus 5 in brackets plus minus square root of minus 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times minus 14 divided by 2 times 1. Okay, let's solve. Minus times minus 5 will give us plus 5. Here we have minus 5 squared will give us plus 25. Here we have minus 4 times 1, which will give us 4. Minus 4 times minus 14. So we have minus 4 times minus 14 divided by 2. Earlier on, if you remember, we had minus 4 times minus 14. So I have tidied it up. Anywhere you see minus times minus, always know that minus times minus is equal to plus. So I got rid of the minuses. Therefore, I simplified it to plus 4 times 14. So here we have, yes. So we have 5 plus minus square root of 81 divided by 2, which will give us 5 plus minus 9 over 2, because square root of 81 will give us 9. Good. Now we have 2 answers for x, because we have plus and minus here in the middle. So this split up to be 5 plus 9 divided by 2 and 5 minus 9 divided by 2. So let's go down further. So this will give us 14 over 2 minus 4 over 2. 5 plus 9 will give us 14. 5 minus 9 will give us minus 4. Therefore, here we have 14 divided by 2 will give us 7. And minus 4 divided by 2 will give us minus 2. So these are the two answers for x. X is equal to 7. X is equal to minus 2. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Send in your questions. I hope this is simplified enough. If not, let me know. Send in your comments. Thank you.